in Western Kenya.
Chingaki abakenya bagendete kwiyarigania ase omuyiga gwe Chrismas ori mutu nige serikali yimukiri egetambukiro kyogotuka obwonia na boigo obutumiki bw'ebinywa by'ogotindi korende chiwizara nigo chiesokiri ase ogochakia omurubiriyo gati yabone wizara y'oburendi bw'ime wizara y'obochenu wizara ya KRA KBS na boigo chi serikali chi county na boigo kubwaterana n'abanyanyimbo okwana ase ensemo ya KICD chinga kichogosyolia omurubiriyo nigo muliki obutambe ase wizara y'oburendi bw'ime habagakoene kinga nachikobeka emirubiri ya bene ase ogotuka ebinywa by'ogotindya orobotera sinchira y'obikirano.
Purpose of planning for a nationwide crackdown on illicit alcohol, counterfeit alcohol, contrabands, and generally any illicit drugs. And this is something we often do. It's not something that we are planning now.
We have Christmas coming up, and then of course the New Year. And there is expectation that there will be a spike in the increase of substance abuse, and hence the need for the various teams that are convening here today to come up with measures and the mechanisms of ensuring that we have this under control. This includes issues around compliance, so that if we have facilities that operate as spaces for selling the alcohol, they are properly licensed. The measures on quality control are in place, that whatever alcohol that is being sold, whatever drugs, whether it's tobacco, meet the requirements of the law. And this is not to make it difficult for businessmen who are involved in this trade, but just to ensure that they operate within the provision.